There are hundreds of chatbots utilizing various algorithms, making the AI race more intense than ever. Thus, we made the decision to select two well-known chatbots and pose an absurd question to them. The outcome will wow you, we're sure. Come along as we explore this and try to determine whether these effective techniques can genuinely forecast stock prices for us. The swift progress in artificial intelligence has resulted in the emergence of robust language models such as ChatGPT and Google Bard that can produce text that resembles that of a human. By using natural language processing, these language models are able to comprehend and generate text that closely reflects the patterns of human speech. According to studies, the size of the worldwide chatbot market has increased significantly from $2.25 billion in 2021 to an astounding $6.92 billion in 2023. We will contrast the features, content creation capacities, search engine integration, and plagiarism detection of ChatGPT and Google Bard. Despite being AI language models designed to generate responses to prompts that resemble those of a person, ChatGPT and Google Bard are very different from one another. The biggest difference is found in the companies that support them. Google Bard is supported by Google, a large resource-rich tech company, whereas OpenAI developed ChatGPT, which is exclusively focused on AI language models. As a result, Google is able to invest more in improving and honing its AI models thanks to their substantial investment. The training data that went into their creation is another significant difference. While ChatGPT uses a much smaller text dataset, Google Bard is trained on a larger dataset of text from the internet. This increases the amount of text data that Google Bard can access and improves its ability to produce responses to longer questions. Additionally, Google Bard differs from ChatGPT with special features. For example, it's quite good at creating poetry and music lyrics, although ChatGPT's main purpose is to respond to prompts with text. Furthermore, Google Bard has multilingual comprehension and response generation capabilities, while ChatGPT's main concentration is still on English. There are currently about 25 million users on ChatGPT who use the site every day. On the other hand, analysts predict that when Google Bard is made widely accessible, it will soar in popularity and could garner an incredible 1 billion users. Whichever way they diverge, the goal of both models is to imitate human-like language. They can communicate with users in a conversational manner because they make use of natural language processing techniques to understand and react to cues. Both are unquestionably strong, large-scale, language-based chatbots. Thus, we made the decision to inquire about Tesla stock. We inquired about probable insights into Tesla's price by the end of 2023 and the main variables that might influence it. However, as some of you may already be aware, ChatGPT is trained using data that was gathered through September 2021. This knowledge cutoff is a result of a feature of machine learning models such as GPT. After training, these models retain the knowledge they have learned from the data they have been exposed to, but they do not refresh their understanding. A model such as GPT takes a lot of time and computer resources to train, making it a complicated procedure. After the training phase is over, the model is reduced to a static representation of the knowledge it has gained from its training data, which consists solely of factual information that has been acquired since the dataset's creation. For this reason, ChatGPT's comments are based on the world as it was in 2021, even though it is now 2023. The model would have to be retrained using a fresh dataset with current data in order to take into account new information. Therefore, ChatGPT's perception of the world will remain locked in 2021 until such retraining occurs. I find that to be an intriguing constraint. As previously said, ChatGPT was unable to provide us an exact price but identified a few variables that might have an impact on stock pricing, following a notable 50% decrease in its stock value in 2022. Investors have turned their focus back to Tesla Nasdaq TSLA this year as a result of its impressive comeback. This renaissance has been fueled by a number of causes, including as aggressive price reductions, better macroeconomic conditions, and a general market comeback. Being the world's top producer of electric vehicles EVs, Tesla continues to pique investors' curiosity, sparking a great deal of discussion and conjecture regarding the company's potential stock price. The AI chatbot states that Tesla's past stock market performance, Elon Musk's possible influence, shifting market sentiment, and the company's financial success are the main elements affecting the stock price in the future. An important factor influencing investor opinion and future price changes is past performance. The most recent quarterly report from Tesla met Wall Street forecasts in terms of revenue growth and earnings, with the latter slightly outperforming the former. Given Tesla's dominant position as the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, investors should also keep a close eye on the global demand for EVs. Investor mood and the company's stock price may be greatly influenced by its performance in the quickly growing electric vehicle market. Recognizing and keeping abreast of these, making wise investing decisions, and projecting Tesla's stock price in the future depend on a number of things. Conversely, we asked the identical question of Google's AI chatbot Bard. We were very surprised to discover that some of the predictions came true this time. Tesla shares will trade between $200 and $300 per share by 2023, predicts Google's AI bot. It further stated that the projection is based on the assumption that Tesla will be in a strong position to increase sales and profits, while the risks to the share price of the base share price of the business are still reasonable. The question that matters most was this: what do you think could be Tesla's stock price by the end of 2027? The answer was really interesting. Interest rates, inflation, and economic expansion are just a few examples of the market factors that will continue to influence Tesla's stock performance in 2027. Different forecasts for Tesla's stock price in 2027 have been made by analysts. By then, renowned investing company ARK Invest sets a price objective of $2,000 per share for Tesla. Tesla's stock price may hit $1,093 a share by the end of 2027, according to Coin. Price Forecasts, a firm that specializes in stock price and cryptocurrency forecasts. A different estimate from financial news and research firm Benzinga suggests that Tesla's price objective in 2027 is $1,400 per share. However, it's critical to keep in mind that these forecasts are speculative and that the real stock price may vary from them. Bard can be thought of as a hybrid of a search engine and virtual assistant, whereas ChatGPT is more productivity focused. Bard is especially helpful when you need an answer to a specific query. Although ChatGPT is great at coming up with ideas and material, Bard's main advantage is that it can get real-time information from the internet for its answers, as opposed to ChatGPT, which uses a fixed data set that hasn't been updated since 2021. Bard is better at providing timely responses to queries that are relevant to the moment. Bard also has the benefit of allowing users to view many drafts or iterations of their responses, giving them access to a wider range of potentially complex responses. Conversely, ChatGPT typically responds to inquiries with a single, frequently condensed response. Both chatbots are easy to use and offer quick answers to questions. You'll need a Google account in order to use Bard, but if you don't already have one, you can easily establish one. Conversely, ChatGPT enables you to register with any email address, including your work email, so you can start using it straight away. That's the end of it. AI chatbots will perform very well when used for the intended purpose. Please share with us your preferred chatbot and the primary purpose for which you utilize it. Please feel free to leave a remark in the space provided below. Make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Although Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has criticized business incentives, the truth is that similar benefits are currently offered in a large number of nations across the globe. As a result, Tesla aggressively exploits these savings for the benefit of its customers, increasing demand for Tesla automobiles. When making an eligible purchase, it's crucial to confirm that you are in compliance with the most recent regulations from the government. Despite this, it seems that Tesla updates its incentives website with the most recent information. This concludes the video. Hey, remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video. This is Tesla Stock News once more. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next video.